No, I'm saying I couldn't even move my camera. Like, and I can't move.
Oh, you saw her downstairs now.
I don't know.
Can't move it to my
Oh god.
What?
It's brokey.
What
I hear it.
What the hell is that noise? What the?
Cook, little bro.
Bro is definitely cooked.
It's Jover. Wait, unmute this one.
Oh my god.
It might be Jover, bro. It might be Jover.
I hear it stomping around.
It might be Jover for you, bro.
There's two!
It's Jover! It's actually Jover!
Oh, it has spotlight-based vision. Oh, that's
Yeah,
terrifying.
it does.
Oh, that's terrifying. So I guess if you stay outside of the spotlight, they won't see you. Oh god. Drop.
Oh shit!
Doesn't really seem to be doing much. Oh! What? Wait, are the rockets non-lethal? Did they just send you flying? Wait. That's what I meant you're going for a ride. That's what I meant when it said you're going for a ride. Oh, that's so cool.
That's crazy. I can't wait for them to pull out the flamethrower and just torch him.
Oh my god!
Bro, you were almost cooked.
Can they get him inside the ship?
At least you can worms. At least
You bitch!
know what they are. At least you can tell if they're
Yo,
monitors,
that's
their
so
footsteps.
cool.